Let's say you're invited to a Vietnamese restaurant with your friend or for a date, but you've never had this type of food before. You may want to educate yourself on the top things you may want to try when faced with this type of cuisine. That said, we have put together the top 5 items you need to try at a Vietnamese restaurant. We even threw in a bonus at the end in case you want to try a unique dessert experience. First up, we have the iconic Pho. This aromatic noodle soup is a staple in Vietnamese cuisine. Made with a rich broth, tender beef or chicken, and fresh herbs, it's the ultimate comfort food. Whether you prefer the classic Pho Bo with beef or Pho Ga with chicken, this dish is a must-try. Don't forget to add some lime and chili for that extra kick. Next on our list is the delicious Banh Mi. This Vietnamese sandwich is a perfect fusion of French and Vietnamese flavors. Picture a crispy baguette filled with savory meats, pickled vegetables, fresh cilantro, and a spread of creamy mayonnaise. It's a handheld delight that's bursting with flavor. Trust me, one bite and you'll be hooked. Coming in at number 3, we have Goi Cuan, or Vietnamese spring rolls. These fresh rolls are typically made with shrimp, pork, or tofu, wrapped in rice paper and served with a side of peanut or hoisin sauce. What makes these different from other spring rolls is that they will be transparent and filled with fresh ingredients like herbs. They're light, refreshing, and perfect as an appetizer or a snack. Plus, they're fun to dip and eat. At number 4, we have cam tam, or broken rice. If you're not interested in soup or a sandwich but want something more hearty, cam tam will be a dish that you may like. In the early days, rice farmers would use broken fragments of rice mixed with meat and eggs to feed themselves. Today, this broken rice dish has become a strong staple in Vietnamese cuisine. Resembling a fried rice, the rice fragments are mixed with veggies and meat and normally is topped with a fried egg. It's hearty, filling, and something that is easy to enjoy. And finally, we can't forget about chaka, or chaka lavong. Chaka lavong is a Vietnamese grilled fish dish originally from Hanoi. If you are a lover of seafood, you will love this dish, which is made from grilled fish marinated in turmeric and dill and served over vermicelli noodles, peanuts, and herbs. Now, let's sweeten things up with a delightful dessert, chai. Chai is any traditional Vietnamese sweet beverage, dessert, soup, stew, or pudding. It can be served hot or cold, but if you find yourself needing a cold dessert, ask the waiter for a soup chai or pudding chai. The soup or drink versions normally will have a coconut milk base sweetened with sugar and mixed or topped with fruit and sweet beans. So there you have it, my top 5 must-order items at a Vietnamese restaurant. From the savory pho to the sweet chai, there's something for everyone to enjoy. If you've tried any of these dishes or have your own favorites, let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more delicious food adventures. Until next time, happy eating!